So let's go more into VS Code this time and understand what that generation, those generators did for us. The -R, which generated routes for us, the -C, which generated controllers for us, and the -M, or the controller, and -M, which generated a model for us. Let's see how that all fit together in our app and why I'm actually able to view the page here. Um, this is, if you've built Flask applications before, you'll know that this is quite a bit of wiring that's done for us. Okay, I'm going to trust the author since it was me here. And let's make that like that. All right, I'll bump this up a little bit. So first thing first is let's go. This is all the files that were created by Flask new. They are all visible for you here. You have full control over it. I'm not hiding anything from you. You can edit this to your heart's content. So we created a model, recipes, and I have not migrated that model over. You would need to add more columns in here, but this is a boilerplate for you, a boilerplate kind of starting point, and helps you just, you're going to add a couple columns in for your recipes, and then you're going to migrate, and then you're off to the races because you're able to already see the recipes index page. So you can start populating your database with some test data and see the page come to life and start styling. So it just, for me, it makes web development a lot more exciting. Let's see here. The reason the route is there, the URL is there, is because we have blueprints. So each one of these is a blueprint. So you have mains blueprint and you have recipes blueprint. That recipes blueprint actually got registered in your Dunder init for your app right here. And so your app now knows about recipes, and here's the route. And there's the route recipes, and it is connecting the route to the controller. So there's the recipe controller. So you go to recipes, go recipe controller. It's serving up the method index. And here's index, and here's where you would do stuff. You would do stuff meaning you would connect to your database and you would get all the recipes, and then you would pass that into the template as a variable so that your template could start displaying those things. I'm not going to do that really. I'm just showing you the boilerplate Python files that Flask-Commands creates for you. So if you go to recipes index and under template, so recipes index, and you can edit this file right here. And here, let's bump this up. So, it's always trust but verify, right? So if I just put my name right here, Drew dash, hit save, boom, it updated. So you could start styling this page right now. You could go to your recipe controller. You could go to your recipe model, make columns that you need to make, and then migrate those changes over. Come in here, pull all the recipes down, send them in as a variable, and then start styling how you want to display your recipes in your app. To me, that's powerful because it took a lot longer to talk about it than it did to write the one command to do this, which was less than a minute to write the command. It would have taken you more time to just start creating files. So you see all these files, you see the registration, and how they're all connected. In the next video, what I'm going to do is we're going to build another page. We're going to keep moving forward, and we're going to build the show page. If you're new to RESTful Actions, the show page is where you show a single recipe, whereas the index page is where you show all the recipes.